What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency streaming. Guys, today I wanted to focus solely on the coin Electroneum, a possible excellent catalyst point right where we are at right now. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrency with some serious efficiency. If you want to make better gains, head right over to the student program, get signed up. Links are below and above. And for those of you who want the little additive edge on the trading field, you've got to follow me on my socials. For instance, I change the color of my eyes, which way I'm leaning in the market that day, and that can help you guys with your entries and exits. And for those of you who want to know more about my life, follow me on Instagram. I just started and it's going really well. Guys, there is no time to waste. If you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe, smash that like button, because I'm going to dive right into the price action. Alright guys, so I'll be very frank, I don't have too much time today. It's Valentine's Day. Happy holidays to you all. Hope you guys are getting some amazing gains. Let's talk about this right here. We've got a descending, broadening wedge here with lots of patterns within patterns here. For instance, we're on the 4 hour, and guys, reverse pressure is still far from being touched, and we're basically hugging trend right now. We need to get a little bit more volume into the market in a good way. For instance, some bullish pressure to start to think about busting through this resistance right here. And guys, we do have a lot of work to do. Let's just start up on the daily here. If you notice, the daily is loaded up, so that's where I'm kind of leaning that we have a little bit more bullish favor here. Hoping we kind of get a little bit of a sideways movement and then a retest of that major resistance, and hopefully a nice little burst right there. That's exactly what we would need. And guys, we can't keep just walking down. We got to hopefully start to walk up right here and retest this reverse pressure right there. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm looking at for Electroneum. Now let's just look at the smaller time frames. We can really just get a grasp of what's going on. So let's just cross the row. Let's go down to 1 hour. Okay, and we can clearly see a lot of patterns within patterns here, and you notice the clear indication plays right prior to the moves. Okay, indication play, indication play, indication play, and so on and so on and so on. Guys, you get the idea. There's so many of them. Here's another jumping out at me. Here's another jumping out. And if we can get a nice little crossing right here, we're going to get a movement right out of this pattern. Hopefully we do, because I would really like to see a retest of resistance right here. If we can actually break out of that with a continuation movement, for instance, even then form maybe like a flag or a pennant and get a little bit of bullish sentiment here, guys, we could start to actually get out of this. Now, we have had a major blow off, 50, 60, 70% here, massive runoff. And, the all-time high here for the 52-week range is, over 4 cents. Okay, so we're definitely at the low for the 52-week range. That's why I'm saying, guys, now is a good time to be accumulating this coin. I'm definitely going to be doing some purchases here. We're definitely at a very sizable low entrance right here. Okay, this is right around trend. I don't think we're going to break this trend and go down a lot further. I think we're in the middle of a super cycle, which means we have some big price action coming our way. But that's going to have a lot of weeding out first, guys. Remember, if it was easy, everybody would do it. Okay. So I see some people getting weeded out. That's going to happen. But make sure you're accumulating these bags when the fear is up. So that way when the fear is down, you guys are already capitalizing some excellent gains, okay? So these are probably your excellent opportune buy points at 0.0064 in between 0.007. Okay, these are good times to buy. Make this a reality for yourself on your favorite exchange. And guys, if you haven't used my links below, you can save up to $7,000+ using all my links. And for those of you who actually go through my program, you get sub-affiliate, which means you can make almost $20-some thousand in links just clicking links, just sharing your links. And guys, that's really, really cool. Now let's go down to even smaller time frames just so we can see how those patterns developed here. Let me go back a second here. We're going to go to let's start on the 15 here. Okay, now you can really see just what we've been playing with here. You can notice all the patterns developing here. Remember, as soon as you start to get several touches, you can start to form that resistance line. Now right here, guys, very tight here. This is going to get a retest of the at least estimated moving averages, and or the Bollinger Band's median is going to be touched, okay? And then what I want you guys to do is watch for those oversold and overbought moments. For instance, when you have the price action going below the Bollinger Band, it goes like that, those are your oversold moments. You want to be trying to enter in and along in those positions, for instance, a pattern buy, and then riding it at least to median, and the price action hits back up, breaks through the median, will retest top band, gets overbought, look for the opportunity to take some profit, and then you can even start to think polar pattern buy short. Okay, guys, it's that simple. And understand, guys, you can make money either way the market's going, whether it's going up or down. You don't have to buy whole portions of coin. I mean, my gosh, there's so many people out there that are still just learning the basics here. Guys, understand you can make money basically all day, every day, and on the smaller time frames, you really have these opportunities, specifically in the indication plays. Notice these breaks. They happen so clearly. Here's even another one, just as an example. Here's another showing the rebound. If we get a nice cross here, we'll get at least a retest of this resistance, guys. That's still a move, easy move, right through estimated moving averages, guys. Doesn't get any clearer than that. If we break down, the next major support is, let's look here. I have to go back up to the 1 hour. Okay, we have to go way back. Actually, we have to go to the 4 hour more. All right, so the next major support is all the way down here at 0.004459, guys. So if we break that, our next major support is a little bit lower, and basically it would coincide right with the major support of this descending broadening wedge here. Okay, so I am anticipating a run up here. That's why my eyes, for instance, all around are still green. But if we get a breaking of the 200 or the 100 with a continuation movement, guys, I will be switching my eyes quite simply. And that is all the time I have for today. Just some excellent times in cryptocurrency. My gosh, Valentine's Day. Lots of gains to be had, guys. Make sure that you guys are grinding away. Don't get too lost in love today, where gains will be something that you look back on and say, oh crap, I could have made some good money today. I'm definitely going to be locking in some trades. And guys, just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.